All right, hey guys, it's been quite a while since we posted a video here on YouTube, but I want to show you a quick what to look out for when you're buying a used trailer or motorhome. So today we've got this Passport Ultralight. Customers had it for a little bit. It's had a water damage, had some water leak in during a storm, so brought it in for us to look at it. So I'm going to show you what we have found and show you a big red flag. So to start, when you come in, this is part of the new damage. The floor is completely soft here, and that's the first soft spot. So of course you get in here, everything looks decent. Nice little travel trailer, everything's good. And you guys let me know when you see the red flag. So, you know, somebody decided to do their own TV mount. Let's go into the bathroom here. All right, you guys see the red flag? We got two different types of flooring here. There's the original floor. There's a replacement floor. So, some other signs that this is not the original floor is quarter round in the corners and quarter round here along the cabinets. So from the factory, there is no quarter round because the floor is put on before any of the cabinets and stuff go on and run straight in underneath the cabinetry. So when we get in here and start digging deeper, let's check out some other big red flags that if you were buying this should tell you to look elsewhere. So if we look at the sink, we got this cool seam where the countertop used to be. If we look inside the cabinets here, we've got staples pulled out, which means somebody's taken this cabinet apart. And let's look down into here. When we get into here, now again we can see that's the original factory flooring. Here's the replacement floor. There's a rip. That's probably, yeah, if you look right next to the pipe, you can kind of see, we could like see that the subfloor is rotten. Looks like they probably went right to this threshold. The floor is really soft, right where my foot's at. And then if we look inside this cabinet, we can see damage to the cabinetry. And there we can see that there's no quarter round, no quarter round. And once again, some more quarter round. They did a really crappy job at splitting. That one doesn't even go to the edge. Yeah, so the factories don't put quarter round trim because the floor's on before the walls or anything else. They don't need to. We can look at any other part of the coach. No quarter round. No quarter round. So I hope you guys learned something. I'm going to try to get more videos, even the little short ones like this, up so that, you know, we can kind of show people what we see on a regular basis and what to stay away from. So again, you go into any kind of motorhome or trailer, the floors don't match up, then you're going to need an explanation. I'd say the only other reason that we ever get where the flooring is different would maybe be in the living in an area like this where maybe the slide out was messed up and tore the flooring and they had to replace the flooring. We actually have a coach in right now, a trailer that is in because the slide out tore the floor. But anyway, if you guys got questions or comments, you know, leave them below and we'll hope to see you again soon. Thanks.